Hey everybody, it's Neil, and while I am not a cigar smoker, I know some people who do like it, so I figured, okay, I'll get them this. So let's check this out. This is a cigar humidor. So this is it here. Let me move the box over, and I'll show you all what the humidor looks like. It's just a little shelf one. And as we open it up, this is what it looks like here. There we go. So it's D. I guess that's the brand. Let's see. Okay. Oh, here we go. We can see it. We can open it up. It's nice inside here. Let me peel the cardboard off. There we go. And then we have, this has got like felt on the side here. I guess this is where we can put in a divider somewhere. I guess it's going to be, so different size depending on how long I guess your cigars are. They can put this in to mark its size. We have some silica gel that it came with. And then this is going to be the humidor, the little part that's going to, I think you fill this with water, and then you can attach it with double stick tape somewhere in there. And then you seal it up. Let me just put it back in here for right now. Seal it up. It smells really good. It smells like nice wood. I don't know what kind of wood. It smells delicious. Okay, and then you close it up here, and then you've got your humidity sensor there. 50% humidity, probably about what it is here in my apartment. So this is nice. And it's got the nice thing there, the nice glass look so you can see through it. And it'll keep your cigars nice and humid and on your desk. And it's got a nice felt bottom as well. Nice box. And look at how pretty that box is. Really nice. Sorry, my little studio lights and stuff are just kind of reflecting off it. But you get the idea. And it's got the nice gold hinge. It's really nice cigar box. Perfect size too. So totally cool. Thumbs up.